Ayan na. Paano na natin i-explain lang ngayon? Ayan na si Apollo! Oh, ang galing ni Apollo! Ayan na, binatulan ni Mark. Binatulan ni Mark. Okay, Juliana, get 3. High five, JC, high five. Okay, proceed. Ayan, very good daw tayo, sabi ni ate. Okay, and put it away. Ang bilis natin si ano. Faster, Diana. O si James. Okay, Mary, go! Mary, go! Okay, put it back to the chair. Okay, last one. And put it away. Yes, happy birthday. Not dahil pizza. Okay, you get to pick our game prizes. Okay, choose one, Apollo. Choose one.